What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman here this morning. We're going to do my morning beard routine. I've been asked to do this video for a while now. Haven't got a chance to do it, so today we're going to do it. And if you will stay tuned, at the very end of this video we are going to have a very special announcement. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. If you are new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, I do beard product reviews, and today we're going to do my morning beard routine. So I am a shower in the morning kind of guy. Alright, I normally take my showers in the morning. It just kind of helps wake me up. And I wash my beard with a beard wash 2 times a week. Usually on Fridays and either Tuesdays or Wednesdays. And the beard wash that I'm currently using is the Cremo beard and face wash. This one is the mint blend, and so far I like this one. It's done well. I like the mint because it kind of helps wake me up in the mornings. So I have about 6 steps that I do when I get out of the shower. I just recently got out of the shower. My beard's still a little wet. So those steps, it's about, like I said, it's about 6 steps. Normally start off with just a towel dry, just to try to get that excess water. And then once I've gotten that excess water out, I go to the comb. Now these, I'll link these in the description below. These are bamboo combs. I picked up, they came in a set of 8 on Amazon. I've got one in my pocket, I've got one in my bathroom, I've got one at work, I've got one in my truck, that's the great part about 8 of them. So, but I take my comb and go through and just kind of comb it out. My beard, if you can't tell, is extremely curly, and so I kind of have 2 different morning routines. One when I want to go just natural, and the other one when I want to kind of give it a little bit of length and go that route. So like I said, step 2 is to comb it out, just to make sure that my nighttime routine did its job and everything is good. Then come back with the towel just to make sure everything is not sopping wet. Alright. Then the next step for me is oil. Today, this morning, what we're going to use is beard juice. I'll drop a card up top. I did a review on this oil a while back. You can go check out that video. But today what we're going to use is beard juice. Now for me and my length of beard, we're going to use about a half a dropper. This one is somewhat thick. It's not as thick as some on the market. It's got kind of a yellowish tint. So let's get all that good and warmed up. I apply my beard oil first from underneath because I want it to get to the skin. I want, and I'm looking at a mirror here, so I want to get that beard oil to the skin and kind of help hydrate that skin. I just got out of a hot shower. All right. So now that the beard is, or the oil is in, the next step I'm gonna do one more time with the comb, and then break out the blow dryer. Now this isn't anything special. This is actually my wife's. It's a new one. Hers hit the crapper not too long ago, and so what I'll do is I run it on, it's got a cold setting, it's got low, medium, and high heat, and then it's got a low and a high. So I'll run it on medium heat, and on medium, excuse the noise, but I'll start from underneath just to make sure I don't have any excess water built up under here. Alright, and then once I've done that, then I'm going to go from the top on the same medium heat. so now we're good. We're good and dry. So then I'm not afraid to mix my oils and my balms. I don't have to have the same scent from the same company to apply. I like mixing and matching and making something happen. So, but because Beard Juice doesn't have a good one that kind of matches with it that I have personally, I'm going with an unscented from a name brand later to be announced that I will do a review on later. Hadn't been using it very long. But, so I'll come in with my oil or my balm about that much and kind of get it just all emulsified and warmed up. And now we're just styling. All right. And then the next to the last step, once we've got our balm in, then we'll take our boar hair bristle brush and just kind of help get it like we want it, and help shape it. It's about time for me to do a trim. And that's it. Last step in this entire process is to freaking rock your beard. Get out there and rock it. So that's it. I didn't mention my boar hair bristle brush is also from Cremo. Picked it up from Walmart. I don't even remember what it cost. I've had it for a while, and so far it does fairly well. I will drop links in the description for everything that I used here in this video. Alright guys, so now that my beard is shaped and ready for the day, everybody's on the edge of their seat wanting to know what this special announcement is. Alright, so I have teamed up with Eddie over at Beard Juice to give one lucky winner a bottle of Beard Juice beard oil. Alright, there are two things you have to do to enter this drawing. Number one, you have to subscribe right down here. Number two, leave me a comment on this video. Any comment, doesn't matter what it is. Please don't be a hater. Leave me a comment. Tell me what kind of beard oil you have in the day. Tell me what the weather is where you're at. Anything. Alright, winner will be announced on Monday, February 11th via my Twitter account. Alright, so I'll drop a link in the description below to my Twitter so you can get over there and monitor that. I'll tag you if you follow me. I'll tag you over there, and I will reply to your comment on YouTube and let you know that you won. But the announcement will be made via Twitter. Alright, so the cutoff will be Sunday, February 10th, midnight Eastern time. So I will drop all this in the description below so you don't have to take notes and you can go in there. But two things you got to do to enter this giveaway. Alright, so get over, check out my review of Beard Juice, and make sure to subscribe. And make sure to drop me a comment so you can get entered in for a chance to win a bottle. So, as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, have a good one and God bless.